Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Shri Sai Guru channel. This is Reshma. Today's question from the grade 10 standard. Topic name is areas related to circle. Question is, horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5-meter long rope. Find the area that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Second one is increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. So look at here, in the first case the length of the rope is 5 meter and the second case the length of the rope is increased, that means 10 meter. So this is what the field which is in the shape of the square. At this point horse is there. Horse can graze only this much part of the area of the field. So this you can call it as a quadrant, because if you complete this arc it becomes what? A circle. So here you know that in the circle when diameter divides into 4 equal parts, I mean 2 diameters. So if like this way, if you draw the diameter, it divides the circle into 4 equal parts. So each equal part is called as a quadrant. So you can call it this one as a quadrant, or it is what? A sector. Sector, how it is? It is the area bounded by an arc and the two chords. So two radii. These two are the two radii, and you know that here the central angle is 90 degree. So this is theta as 90 degree. So horse can graze only this much part of the area of the field, that is in the shape of the square. So this is nothing but the length of the rope, which is equal to 5 meter. Let it be radius of the circle as 5 meter. So this is as 5 meter. Yes. What about the first question here? Find the area, that part of the field in which the horse can graze. So here the part of the field that is equal to the area of the sector. So that here before we have to write the information. What is theta? Theta is 90 degree and the radius is equal to 5 meter. That is nothing but the length of the rope. Yes, let us start the first one. So once again, area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze is equal to the area of the sector. So let it be, I will give the point name as O, A, this is taken as B and C. OA, BC is an arc. So let us here take area of the part of the field in which horse can graze, that is equal to area of sector OABC. OABC. You know the formula, area of sector is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Let us evaluate theta as 90 divided by 360 degree into pi value as 3.14 into radius is 5, means 5 into 5. So r square means 5 into 5. Let us check here. 91 is 94 is. So here the cancellation is not possible. 3.14 into 25. 5 5 is 25 divided by 4, which gives us here 3.14 into 25 is equal to 78.5 divided by 4. So here 4 ones are yes, next to 4 nines are 0.46 up to 2 decimals, 19.625. So do this calculation carefully. The answer is 19.625. This is the area of the sector. Hence, what is the answer? the area that the part of the field in which the horse can graze 19.625 meter square. Therefore, horse can graze 19.625 meter square area. This is the answer for the first question. Yes, so let us move on the second question here. Increasing the grazing area. When the rope were 10 meter long, that's all. Instead of taking 5 meter, the radius becomes here 10 meter. So it is same as we did before. So second part is here. Yes, if the length of the rope is equal to 10 meter, that is radius is equal to 10 meter, and what the theta is what 90 degrees same. Now again we have to calculate the area that which is grazed by the horse. Yes, then the area of the part of field in which horse can field that horse can graze. So here what happened? So the length of the rope will increases. Then horse will graze this much area of the field. If the length of the rope is increased, how much over? 10 meter. So radius becomes here 10 meter. So again calculate the area of the field. That is equal to, then it is equal to area of sector. So here I will give the area of the sector as O P D E. Yes, O P D E. This is first sector, O A B C. Next O P D E. Yes, O P D E is equal to theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Yes, that is 90 by 360 degree, 90 degree by 360 degree. Pi value is 3.14 into 10 into 10. Again 91s are 94s are. So here what? 3.14 into 10 tens are 100 divided by the 4. So here 3.14 into 100 is 314 divided by 4. So 314 divided by 4 is how much? Yes, let us do the cancellation here. How much? Yes, that is equal to, do the cancellation. 4 ones are 4 sevens are 28. Again 8s are, yes, 4 8s are 32.5. Yes, that is equal to 78.5. So this is increase. How much? When the rope of the length of the rope is 10 meter, the area grazed by the horse will be 78.5 meter square. So but what was the question? We are asking that, yes, find the increased area. Our ಕೇಳಿರೋದು find the increased grazing area. Yes, increased grazed area, that is equal to how much over? That is equal to, you have to find the difference in between the area grazed by the horse when the length of the rope is 10 meter and the 5 meter. Yes, that is equal to 78.5 minus, it is 19.625. Do the subtraction here. So we will get here After the subtraction, yes, it is 5 and 5 it is 0. That gives 58.875. 58.875. So carefully do the subtraction. Meter square, 58.875 meter square is the increased grazed area. This is the required answer. Yes, I hope you understand this this question. Okay, please like, share, comment and subscribe Sri Sai Guru channel. Thank you.